Today, I'm going to show you the power of substance integration in Maxwell Render. So, I have Studio here and also the Substance Launcher running in the background. We're going to start with creating an 8x8 plane, and I really want to keep it simple. My plan is to create the surface for a sidewall, so I will duplicate this plane and tile it manually by moving. I could scale to make it longer like this, but I avoid, because then I would have to readjust the UV mapping, so instead I simply tile. Well, this is pretty much enough for the purpose. So let's go and grab a substance material from the substance source. I'm looking for a nice stone material suitable for my sidewall. Okay, this one looks very good. I'm going to grab it. I really can't wait to see it in action. So let's quickly set and assign the material. Now I want this to be more gray. So going to edit its parameters and tweak the color values. Yes, looks much better. Now let's see how it renders. Okay, very nice, but I need to activate the height map by changing the embossment method to both. And then I need to make sure we have enough subdivision, because our 8x8 plane doesn't have enough geometric detail to represent our stone very well. Therefore, I'm going to increase the displacement subdivision to 64. And I want to decrease the height a little. Well, yes, this is going to work. I'm planning to find a brick wall or something like that from the substance source to add more fun into this scene. So in Launcher, I switch to the 3D Models tab and I search. Okay, this one looks interesting. Why not? So I send it to the painter because I need to export it as object and also export its textures. Okay, here it comes. So I'm going to export the mesh first. Then export the textures using the Maxwell preset. Going back to Maxwell, all I need to do is importing the mesh into the scene and creating a substance painter material. Yes, our scene is looking a little bit more crowded now. After a while, I created this camera, which is more interesting, with a low f-stop value and a higher focal length. Then, change the time of day, so the sun is closer to the horizon, giving me longer shadows. Going back and forth between Substance Universe and Maxwell, I succeeded bringing more items to my scene. So now I have a power box on the sidewalk here, and here are two hydrant objects that I grabbed through Substance Launcher's 3D Models panel. They help giving me the depth in the final look. Nice, but I think this scene is still looking boring yet. So now I will bring the sidewalk material to the Alchemist and see what more can I do there. Okay, here we have a planet made of sidewalk. Let's see how the Alchemist magically turns it into something more interesting. On the right hand, you have the layers panel, and on the left hand, we have the substance filters. Here I unfold the weathering rollout. And we see a dirt filter here. I simply catch and drag it on the top of my sidewalk. You can immediately see it's now added as a layer here, and it offers a special set of parameters here. I play with it in the way I like and adjust the dirt. Well, this is better than nothing, so I will keep adding one more filter. Let's drag and drop this water filter here. Oh yes, very impressive. You can adjust the amount and shape of wetness as you like. Okay, this is looking very good, so I export it and return to Maxwell. Now the sidewalk is looking better with the brand new touch of Alchemist. And let's check it from the camera view. I think it's getting more realistic after each step. Well, it's time to give life to this render, and it's as simple as bringing some more items, but of course living ones. Meet Nathan, an animated free character. He'll be walking on our sidewalk. With the help of Nathan, it became more photographic and also artistic. Let's not put all the attention to him and bring one more item. This could definitely be a cat. Look at that cutie sleeping in peace. I liked it. While working on this scene, I created different cameras and times of day to demonstrate the power of Substance and Maxwell integration better. So let's check how the other cameras look. This is the noontime camera showcasing the water much better. And this is my favorite, the afternoon camera. Staring at this beautiful angle, a bird near the water puddle appeared on my mind. And I said, be in my scene. There she is. It was a pretty satisfactory experience for me in an hour or even less. Cannot imagine how easily you talented artists turn this integration into impressive renders. Thanks for watching.